Goofy Wheelchair Guru.
Speak up a little bit, buddy. They can't
The
hear
Goofy
you.
Wheelchair Guru.
And his faithful
Welcome
assistant.
to the outside of our house, the side of our house, right next to his mother's library.
And his grandmother, my mother. I'm his faithful assistant, aka Dad.
Or my grandmother.
So Phil, what are we going to be doing today? We're going to be testing this. What is it?
Yep.
What is it?
MRE today.
It's an MRE. What kind is it? It's a menu 20. It's a
Hash browns and potatoes.
with bacon, pepper, and onions. See, it's from the USA Department of Defense. So we're going to pop this bad boy open and we're going to try it.
Also, I'm still using my gadget from the previous video.
He's still using his gadget over here. You can see it. There's his phone holder. So here we go. Let's see what we got in here. Okay, so there's that bag emptied. Okay. Now we take this one and we're going to open this one up. Now we've never done one of these before, so bear with us because we don't know what the heck we're doing. All right, let's see. So there's looks like some napkins and matches and other stuff. Let's see. This is the hash brown potatoes. The 5 hours for optimal recovery. Oh, look, nutrition facts on there. Pretty cool.
They usually have this.
Cinnamon bun, shelf stable. So we got a cinnamon bun. We got a cinnamon bun. Ooh. Let's see, what else? Granola with milk and blueberries, dehydrated. So we got to add water to that. See, we brought out water.
Also, I'm wearing a hat with
Phil.
one of the characters.
Jalapeno flavored cashews. He loves anything with jalapenos in it.
So
Cheese spread.
the hat that I'm wearing is a character from Adventure Time
Yes.
named Jake the dog.
Yes. He's wearing his Jake the Dog from Adventure Time hat. What are those, Phil? Those are crackers. We have a spoon. Let's see. Oh, this is how you heat the stuff up. Okay, what do we got here? We also got beverage base orange type 2. And this is hot beverage bag. Okay, but I don't know if we did get a, let's see what's in here. We gotta open this one up now and see what's all in here. If you notice, almost all this stuff is in waterproof containers, so when military members in the field, it keeps it nice and dry. So we got some iodized salt, again, napkins or toilet paper, matches, non-dairy creamer, instant coffee.
You can see I'm wearing a tie-dye t-shirt and the tie-dye sunglasses.
Moist towelette. What's this, Phil?
Sugar.
Sugar and 2 pieces of chiclets. So, let's see what we got to do here. We got operating instructions on the MRE ready-to-eat heater bag. So it looks like we take this bag, move MRE pouch and paperboard sleeve from MRE. Tear off top of bag. So we tear off the top of this bag, place the pouch in the heater, and then we put this around it, it looks like. So let's see here. Okay. While holding MRE pouch and heater above lines on bag. Okay, so we tear off the top of this. Let's see. We take this, we stick it in this bag, right, Phil?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
And then you push it down and
Easier said than done. Okay, then we stick this over it. Oh man, that is tough to get in there. Okay. then let's see, it said I gotta hold that heat source thing. Alright, hang on a second. It says I gotta hold this heat source thing above the water line. So I'm gonna take this out. There we go. Now we're getting it. Then put this back in here as such.
Yep.
Alright. Then we take some of our purified drinking water here. If we were in the field, in the military, we'd be pouring out of our canteen. Alright.
Or if you're not in your house, some tap water. Some
Right.
purified water.
So I filled up there. I kind of overfilled just a little bit. But I think it's okay. When I push that down and in, we seal this over. I think we do that. Okay. It says we are supposed to lean this against a rock on a rock or something. We don't really have a rock here,
You can use an umbrella.
so we'll lean it against the umbrella thing here, and we let that do its thing for a number of minutes. So while that's doing that, we'll open up the other stuff here. We'll get everything set to try. So
the chiclets.
we got how to make this half a cup. Oops. See, is that getting warm yet? I think I gotta.
Also, I got Disney Plus, ESPN Plus, and Hulu.
Yes, he does. So we fold that up.
I watched Lilo and Stitch
You watching Lilo and Stitch? How was it? Oh, yep. You feel
Good.
that's starting to get warm now, Phil.
and Rescue
Hey.
Rangers.
Rescue Rangers. Yeah, okay. So let's see, Phil. We got a lot of water to prepare. Hang on, Phil. We got a lot of water just chemically purified to
Yeah.
stand 30 minutes before adding to granola cereal. We already did that. Open pouch and remove oxygen scavenger. We're going to add 2 to 4 ounces or a scant 16th canteen cup of water to the pouch. All right, so we're going to open this.
Oh crap!
We got to take this little thing out of it. All right. I really don't know what a 16th of a cup is. We'll just dump some in.
And I watched SpongeBob and Nickelodeon.
I think just a little bit more.
I watched SpongeBob and Nickelodeon.
All right, hang on, Phil. All right, let's see here. Stir and consume within 1 hour. So we're gonna take our little spoon here, and we're gonna try our first thing. What do you think? How's this gonna be, Phil?
Oh, don't let the noise up there. That's my uncle.
That's your uncle up there.
Also, I watched SpongeBob on the Nickelodeon channel.
Hmm.
Because we got Spectrum.
All right, you ready? You gonna try this? This is oatmeal with blueberries.
Mmm.
How is it? Not bad. That's pretty good, Phil. What do you think?
Good.
Okay. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, we got the cashews with jalapenos. Let's see, so we just whip that open. Mmm. There you go, Phil. Cashew with jalapenos on it. How is that?
Good.
Is that good? That's pretty good. He likes it. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, that's right. We'll use the water right here in our thing. And we're going to add the beverage base orange type 3 into it. So let's give it a little shake down.
Peter. Hi.
Oh, there's Philly saying hi to his brother Peter. Ooh, that's pretty orange. Okay, let's get this stirred up. Oh, sounds like the mailman. Maybe they're dropping off some more goodies for us. All right, cinnamon bun. I don't think we gotta do anything with this. I think it's already all done. So we're gonna open that up.
Nope, it's no goodies today.
No goodies today. All right.
Just mail.
So there's the cinnamon bun thing. I don't know if there's any. Did we get icing with this anyway, here, Phil? Let's see. This was the instant coffee. This was creamer. Nope. So it's just a cinnamon bun. No. So we don't got any icing with it. You want to try a bite? Should I try a bite?
Not bad.
Mmm. Very moist. Not too bad. Did you like that?
Yeah.
Mmm.
Very moist.
All right. So then we got some crackers here. Whoa, you could hear that hiss as the air got into it. That was vacuum sealed. Let's see. There we go. There's a cracker. All right, tear at corner. All right, so we're gonna do this. We're gonna. All right, let's break off a piece of cracker here.
Also, if you want to not only see, if you want to see gadgets and gaming, let me know in the comments below.
All right, try that. It's cracker with cheese spread, Phil. Looks like it's just basically like cheese whiz. Nope. Kind of reminds me of those little handy cracker and cheese snacks you used to get when you were a kid with a little stick to spread the cheese on. Want to try this, Phil?
My dad plays the NES.
How is that? Cheese spread's pretty good. Crackers are a little, Let's see, do you think
My
this thing
dad
is
used
ready?
to play the NES.
All right, Phil, you think this thing is ready?
I remembered when you used to play the NES. You told me a story.
Oh, we gotta wait about 10 or 15 minutes. So I'll tell you what, we'll give the camera a little pause. Actually, let's take a little sip of this. Orangey, huh? All right, so we'll take a little pause here, and we'll be right back with you after the main course is heated. All right, here we go, folks. We got a nice cup of warm water here, and the coffee instant type 2 spray dried. So we're gonna try a little coffee. I'm not a coffee person, but we'll see how it is. All right, so we take this coffee, add that to the cup, put in a little bit of sugar, and we got some creamer, non-dairy here. So let's put some sugar in. Okay, and we're gonna put in this non-dairy creamer.
Which is a good product.
It's a good product? Are you sure about that? I don't know. I've never tried it before. All right, take a, tell you what. Let's just mix up with this. We want to save the spoon for, you can smell it. It's definitely coffee. Woo! Tell you what, why don't we have Mom come over here and try it? Come on, honey.
Mom, come here, please.
I'll have my beautiful wife come over and try this. I hope I made it to your liking, babe. So, because she's a coffee drinker, none of us are.
Just say, it was good.
Is that good coffee? Is it okay coffee? It's not bad? Should I try a sip?
If you want.
I'm gonna try a sip.
Pretty weak though.
It's
I
pretty
like
weak.
strong coffee.
That's why she married me. Strong. Ooh.
Not for
Now I
you.
remember why I don't like coffee. Ooh, that's bad. Oh, hang on, I gotta take some water with that.
Yeah.
Do you think the potatoes in that are ready? I mean, this thing is pretty warm. I mean, this is... Here, Phil, feel this. Is that warm?
Ooh, ow, ow,
Is
ow.
that hot? That's hot. Wow. Well, we're gonna pull it out and we're gonna try it because I think everything in here was cooked.
I felt a little burnt.
So let's take a look here and see. So we take this out. All right. grab this piece.
It feels warm.
I think it's done.
I can smell it. It smells done.
You can smell it?
Yeah.
He can smell it. So we take that. Okay, looks like we pull down here. Let's push this down. Alright. We're gonna cut that open with our coffee stir, aka knife. I don't know if this is exactly done, Phil.
Just look in.
Oh,
It smells done.
it smells done. Hey, you could try. You could try a little bit. You tell me how it is. How is it?
I'm gonna try some.
Yeah, it's
Very
okay.
exceptional.
It definitely needs salt. So let's add a little salt to this, and we'll see if we can improve the flavor profile of it a little bit, Phil.
Never spill salt.
We'll dump that all in. I'm gonna stir this up.
Oh, don't mind the helicopter flying overhead.
Helicopter.
That's what you're hearing above. We
Yep.
live by an airport.
Not much better. Oof, Phil, that's kind of. Let's wash our palettes here. So what do you think, Phil? All in all for that, I gotta say the cinnamon bun was pretty decent. I would have liked to have a little frosting to put onto it, but hey, for service members, they would definitely deserve it. But in the field, it's still nice to have that nice cinnamon bun. They could probably warm it up a little bit. The hash browns with the bacon and peppers and onions, I wasn't sold on it. Even adding the salt, it was very blah. Had no flavor. The coffee, well, I don't drink coffee. Like my wife said, it was a little weak. The crackers and cheese spread was pretty good. To be honest, I really like this drink. I kind of want more of this. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's got a nice sweetness to it.
Well, Star Wars Rise of Skywalker was a great movie.
Hey, Phil, but we're focused on here, right? So let's fish. So what we got left? What else came in here that we tried? We tried the coffee. Tried the cinnamon bun. Oh, the cashews. You really like the cashews, right? And then we got left the Chiclets gum. Let's see how the gum is. Don't do that at home, kids. Never open things with your teeth. You want to try a piece? Hey, piece for him, piece for me. Spearmint. Pretty good. I gotta say though, I probably wouldn't give this a thumbs up. I'm about a thumbs even on this. Right? Yeah, the hash browns for the main course need to be a little bit better. So we'll see what else we got. Later on in the week, we'll be trying a South Korean MRE main dish. I think it's spicy beef, right, Phil? Yeah? So we'll be trying that, and we got some more gadgets to try. So make sure you subscribe here to the Goofy
Wheelchair Guru. And some games, too.
Yeah, he might do some games on there for everybody. So make sure you subscribe and watch for us to come back at you. You want to say thanks, everybody?
Thanks.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.